Jai Shri Ram, surrendering to the feet of Sri Rama. Om Apadamapahartaram Dataram Sarvatam Padam Lokabhiramam Sriramam Bhogyo Bhogyo Namamyaham Karkate Purvapalgunyam Tulasikananodbhavam Pandye Vishwambaram Godam Vande Sri Ranganayaki Andal Tirubadigalé Sharanam. Day 17, Tirupavai Pashuram 17. Ambarame tannire shore adam jayyam Kemberuman Nanda Gopala Yelundirai Kombanarkellam Kolunde Kulavilakke Kemberumatti Yashodai Ariburai Ambaramodaratu Bongi Bulahalanda Umbar Komane Buranga Delundirai Shamban Kalaladi Jelba Baladeba Umbiyum Neyum Varangelor Gembabai Ambarame tannire shore adam jayyam Kemberuman Nanda Gopala Gelundirai Kombanarkellam Kolunde Kulavilakke Kemberumatti Yashodai Ariburai Ambaramodaratu Bongi Bulahalanda Umbar Komane Buranga Delundirai Shamban Kolaladi Jalba Baladeva Umbiyum Neyum Varangelor Yambabai. Meaning, Goda Devi and all the Gopikas entered the temple and reached to the place of the Lord. They are waking up Nandagopan, Yashoda, Krishna and Balarama by singing the songs. Oh, the Lord, who is giving food, water, clothes to all and the leader of all the kings, please wake up. Oh, the Lord who measured the whole universe with your steps, and one who is wearing the red golden anklet, please wake up. Oh, the mother Yashoda, who is taking care of Sri Krishna, please wake up. The brother of Krishna, Balarama, whose feet are looking so nice, please wake up. We are all here to do our vratam and want to take your blessings. Om Svati Prajabhya Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahishah Gobrahmanebhya Shubhamastu Nityam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Janmangalani Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Shri Ram.